Hello! Welcome to the Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. Today, we're diving into how you can elevate your partner portal to new heights of user-friendliness and efficiency. Ease of navigation. Imagine a portal where finding what you need is as easy as pie. We're talking intuitive design and straightforward menus that guide you to your destination without any hassle. Mobile access. In our on-the-go world, having the power to access your portal anytime, anywhere, right from your phone is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Personalization. Imagine logging in to see content and tools tailored just for you. It's about making every partner feel like the portal was designed with them in mind. Simplifying promotions. Access to promotions should be a breeze, allowing partners to quickly leverage deals and offers that can drive sales and engagement. Tracking metrics. The ability to easily monitor performance, understand engagement levels, and adjust strategies accordingly can transform the way you do business. By focusing on these key improvements, your partner portal can become a cornerstone of your business strategy, fostering better engagement, satisfaction, and ultimately success. We strive to make your partner portal more accessible, efficient, and partner-friendly. Thank you for watching Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you have enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, processes, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day!